swear I'm not cold, bro. It's the New Year's, bro. It's literally January, bro. It's 2026, bro. I'm not cold in the big 26, bro. Bro.
Why did you stop?
Ah!
Hold me your skills. So good. I show you how.
I have information about Luke.
What should we do about it?
I don't know.
We'll wait till he's low. Then we can strike.
Yeah, that was so cool. I know, right? Yeah. Sorry, guys, I have to go now. I have to go this way. Alright, cool. Alright. Bye, Luke.